Now, ladies and gentlemen, you can see why the Galway tenors are an integral part of the Marty Party. And we'll be doing the Marty Party shows again in the new year at a location near you. So please come along. Various venues will be announced near Christmas. We're going to Carrigan-Shannon. We're going to Cork, Kilkenny, Tipperary, Waterford. So hope... Where? What? Dublin. Yes, we're coming to Dublin. So we'll have loads of parties. Right. Clearly I'm not as fit as I used to be because I'm Benjacks now. How are you? You all right?
I'm fine, Marty, yeah.
Yeah, good.
Ready to go. Bring them on again.
Right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we want your attention, please. Because now we come to the climax of the evening, having had the dance and the singing. We're also streaming this live, thanks to the great people in TG Carr. And by the way, highlights of tonight will be shown. I must get the date. I was told to, but I forgot it, but it will be shown. We'll tell you the date before the presentation is over, where you'll see highlights of tonight's program on TG Carr as well. Right. Can I invite our presentation panel, Micheál Naughton and Alan Esselman, back onto the stage to make the presentation, if you don't mind.
Agus chuirmuid fáilte freisin raibh riana ní chuistebla atá chun job specialty in arún, ban óg a scáile, an pelador a scáile, ach tá riana chun na gradaim a thuirt gona réaltaí hinach, so búlbas mór go riana.
Well done, Riana. So, all joking aside, I mean, the Ladies Football All Stars is a special event. We always consider it a great honour to be part of it. For the players involved, it is their moment. Not everybody can win All-Ireland medals. Not everybody can win All-Stars. But when they do, it's a huge moment for them, their families, their clubs, their parish and their county. So by all means, celebrate whenever your player is given an All-Star. But let's just, while we're doing the announcements, just give it a pause so that we can make sure that they celebrate in style. So we're going to start with the Junior Players Player of the Year, then go on to the Intermediate Players Player of the Year, and then move on to the All-Stars themselves.
Gurmahagat Marty. And just to note, the Junior and the Intermediate and Senior Players Player of the Year chosen by the players. It's a huge accolade, but for the nominees, it's a wonderful achievement to have been put with that merit, I suppose, from their own teammates and also from all of the counties around the country. So to begin with our Junior Players Player of the Year, we will look at the nominees this year. From Limnach, Roisin Ambrose. Ó Fermanach, Blóithín Bóg. Agus ó Chundaí an Dún, Natasha Ferris. And the Junior Players Player of the Year. This recipient goes to Natasha Ferris, Chundaí an Dún. The recipient of the Junior Players Player of the Year adds further glory for Down following their All-Ireland Football Junior Championship success, as brilliant forward Natasha Ferris from the Bryansford Club finished her season as top scorer in the junior grade with an astonishing tally of 731, including 5 points in the TG Carr All-Ireland final victory over Limerick.
Congratulations, Gorgordicus Natasha. Intermediate Players Player of the Year. And you will note again, and I know I mentioned it in part one, about the beauty of the awards, the All-Star Awards. And same with the men's last night. There's a great man who does it. That's, of course, Jarlath Daly, who I know is here with us tonight. You might give him a big round of applause, because we do appreciate his talent and his skill to make these very unique every year. Right, the Intermediate Players Player of the Year. The nominees are Roisin Byrne, Kildare, Fidelma Marnan, Clare, Orla Prenter, Antrim. The Intermediate Players Player of the Year goes to Kildare, Roisin Byrne. scored 25 points for the Lily Whites as they stormed to the intermediate glory, including 7 points in a final player of the match performance against Clare. From the Sarsfields Club, and also an All-Star nominee, the winner is Roisin Byrne. Now, Roisin, hello, Roisin. Hello, Roisin. Roisin, come back to me and talk to me. I need to talk to you. Hello, Roisin. Congratulations, Congratulations. What a performance for Kildare winning the intermediate title, and now, of course, Players' Player of the Year.
Yeah, I'm actually lost for words. Not a lot of times that's happened, but yeah.
Since I got to know you, that doesn't happen that often, so it is quite an achievement.
Yeah, it's happened tonight now, so there's a first for it. So,
tell me about what it meant to win the All-Ireland title with Kildare and to now be heading into a senior championship status.
Yeah, look, it happened in 2016. We won it and we got up, and I just don't think we were ready for the senior grade. But this year, we're ready to take on senior. We've got we are. We've underage coming up in Kildare, so we've in the past we've had a load of girls retiring. Everyone's willing to stay on for another couple of years, so I think this year it meant a lot that we were fighting an intermediate for a couple of years. We finally got there, and now we're looking towards winning a senior in the next couple of years. Set
out the objective. For you personally now, A, to be nominated, but also to win the Players' Player, but particularly when it's selected by the players themselves.
Yeah, look, it really does mean a lot. Like, there's like Fidelma and Orla to be nominated. Fidelma over there. It's like they're unbelievable players, so it's unbelievable to be nominated, but to actually come and win it, it is a dream come true. Like, I'm so happy. I can't put it into words. I'm delighted.
Well done. Congratulations. Thank you for coming back. Well done. Thank you. Well done. Well done. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we move on to the All-Star presentation. 45 players across the country have been nominated. Dublin, the All-Ireland champions, have 12 nominees. Kerry have 13. Mayo have 5 footballers nominated. Armagh, Cork, Donegal and Meath have 3 nominees. Galway, Clare and Kildare have 1 each, which probably reflects the popularity and indeed the talent that is in all these counties to have so many counties represented. And we start with the All-Star goalkeeper, Maura.
Thanks, Marty. Well, tá trúr anamnithe chun Iver a Héan, and the 3 nominees for the goalkeeping position are... That's Stephen Cluxton, I heard someone say, but it is Atha Cliath. Abby Shields, Atha Cliath. Ciara Butler, Kiri. Agus Monica McGurk, Anvi. Agus on Coolborda, our goalkeeper for the 2023 All-Star team, is awarded to Abby Shields, Atha Cliath. This is the first TG Cahad Award for Abby from the Lucan Sarsfields Club in Dublin. Abby enjoyed a superb season for the Sky Blues, pulling off a string of stunning saves, while also impressing with her overall game as Dublin won the TG Cahad All-Ireland senior title. Cóhárdeachas leat Abby.
Abby Shields, All-Star Goalkeeper 2023. Who's going to make up the full back line? There are 9 nominees for the 3 positions. The nominees are Clodagh McCambridge, Armagh. Roisin Phelan, Cork. Niamh Crowley, Dublin. Leah Caffrey, Dublin. Kaylee Cronin, Kerry. This is like being back in Croke Park for the All-Ireland final again between Kerry and Dublin. Eilish Lynch. Kerry. Danielle Caldwell, Mayo. Clodagh McMenamin, Mayo. Mary Kate Lynch, Meath. The right corner back on the All-Star team, number 2, is from Kerry, Eilish Lynch. The first award for Kerry and the night goes to another first-time winner from Eilish Lynch from the Castle Island Desmond's Club. She was exceptional for the Kingdom during their march to a successive TG Carr All-Ireland Senior Final. Fullback is next. The number 3 All-Star for 2023 is Leah Caffrey from Dublin. A 4th TJ Carr All-Star Award for one of the very best in the business. Unfortunately, Leah is not here, but I think her mom, is coming up. Mrs. Caffrey, you had a great season. Fantastic. You deserve your All-Star. I wouldn't be giving it to Leah at all, actually. Just keep it for yourself. Left corner back on the All-Star team is going to Mayo, Danielle Caldwell. She was cornerback on the 2022 TG Carr All-Star team and wins her 2nd award in the same position this year. Danielle from Castlebar Mitchell's Club was a model of consistency yet again for the green and red.
Okay, we move on now to the half-back line and Lena Lachul. The nominees for the half-back line of 2023 are Lauren McConville, Ordwacha, Amy Boyle-Carr, Dunanal, Martha Byrne, Atha Cliath, Lauren McGee, Atha Cliath, Emma Costello, Kiri, Koch Lynch, Kiri, Aisling O'Connell, Kiri, Kieran Needham, Muyo, August Catherine Sullivan, Muyo, August Hinyanzi Ibarakuig, Lauren McGee, Atha Cliath. It's back-to-back to County Dublin we go for our first TG Cathal All-Star in the half-back line. Lauren McGee ó Kilmacud na Croquet is a player who combines defensive solidity with the ability to surge forward in support of our midfield and in the attack. This is a 2nd All-Star for Lauren, a previous recipient in 2018. Congratulations, Lauren. Ag Ivor Shea, moving on to our centre half-back for 2023. Martha Byrne, Atha Cliath. Martha from the Coola Club in County Dublin is a first TG Cathal All-Star. Martha was central to Dublin's success in 2023, producing a series of brilliant performances for the Sky Blues as they landed the TG Cathal All-Ireland senior title for the first time since 2020. Congratulations, Martha. And to complete the half-back line of our Réaltaí Pheil Bígí Fí Trí, Ganzi Ivra Schacht, Coach Lynch Keary. Completing the half-back line is another Kerry player who's this evening earning a third TG Cahard All-Star Award. Coach was previously honoured in 2012 and 2022, and it's another award this evening for a member of the Castle Island Desmonds Club in the Kingdom of Kerry. So Hortigus Ladcoats.
So we now have the goalkeeper, full back line and half back line. Let's go to midfield. Two positions, as we all know. There are 6 nominees for the 2023 TG Cahard All-Star midfield team. The nominees are Niamh McLaughlin, Donegal; Jennifer Dunn, Dublin; Eilish O'Dowd, Dublin; Louise Galvin, Kerry; Lorraine Scanlon, Kerry; Nicola Ward, Galway. The number 8 jersey goes to Jennifer Dunn, Dublin. Jennifer can't be with us this evening, but we're relieved that Ciara and Sarah are here this evening. And Ciara or Sarah, come up. Another award for the Coola player as he joins Martha Byrne on the TG Cahard All-Star team. So who's joining Jennifer at midfield? We're going to Kerry. Lorraine Scanlon. 6 years on from her last TG Cahard All-Star Award, Kerry midfielder Lorraine Scanlon earns her second, and it's a third TG Cahard All-Star Award on a night for the Castle Island Desmonds Club.
Well, Bochum Majirai Anish O'Lorna Parka Guna Tussiha, and we'll now move to our half-forward line. And the 9 nominees for the half-forward line are Fidelma Marinan, Clare; Ciara O'Sullivan, Kirka; Orla Nolan, All Cliath; Caoimhe O'Connor, All Cliath; Kate Sullivan, All Cliath; Niamh Carmody, Kiri; Anna Galvin, Kiri; Sinead Cafferty, Muyo; August Emma Duggan, Anvi. And at right half forward, Inyanzi Iverade, Tomadidol Oyaska Kiri, Niamh Carmody. Niamh earns her second TG Cahard All-Star this evening, and it's 2 in a row for the Fanug St. Senans player, who was also named in the 2022 team. Niamh is a direct and pacey player who has a keen eye for a score and a brilliant work ethic. A creator and a finisher, Niamh is our right half forward. Joining Niamh in the half forward line, Inyanzi Ibrahimiag, Orla Nolan, All Cliath. Orla earns her second TG Cahard All-Star Award this evening on the back of another outstanding campaign for Dublin. From the Ballantyre St. John's Club in the capital, Orla is a hugely versatile player who consistently delivers the goods. She's a TG Cahard All-Star for the second time in 3 years, following on from her 2021 success. And ladies and gentlemen, to complete our half-forward line, at left half-forward, Ganzi Iverdóiag, Adolga Kirky, Ciara O'Sullivan. Remarkably, this is the 5th All-Star TG Cathal Award for Ciara O'Sullivan from the Mourneabbey Club in Cork. A former All-Ireland winning captain with 8 winners' medals, Ciara was an All-Star previously in 2012, 2014, Rábhís a Séideag, agus Rábhís a Thugtaig. Ciara is our left half forward on the 2023 TG Cathal All-Star team.
There are just 3 All-Stars left to be announced on the 2023 team. There are 9 nominees for the full forward line. The nominees are Aoife McCoy, Armagh; Doireann O'Sullivan, Cork; Niamh Hegarty, Donegal; Carla Rowe, Dublin; Hannah Tyrrell, Dublin; Louise Murhertig, Kerry; Danielle O'Leary, Kerry; Shifra O'Shea, Kerry; Roisin Byrne, Kildare. At top of the right, had a great game in the All-Ireland final. It's Hannah Tyrrell, Dublin. Another award for the Na Fianna Club in Dublin as Hannah Tyrrell collects her second TG Cathal All-Star, having been a previous winner in 2021. Scored 8 points in the All-Ireland and earned the Player of the Match award. Number 14, full forward in the All-Star team, goes to the All-Ireland winning captain, Carla Rowe. Led by example with another outstanding season from the Clonwhiller Club. This is a 4th TG Cathal All-Star Award for Carla. She was also named 2015, 2016 and 2019 selections. The final place, left corner forward, number 15. And we're going to Kerry, to Louise Murhertig. Completing our team is the leading scorer in the 2023 TG Cathal All-Ireland Senior Championship. From Corkadevna and Kerry, she earns a 4th All-Star Award this evening. She was named in 2012, 2013, 2022 All-Star teams. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please salute the TG Cathal 2023 All-Stars football team.
Ladies and gentlemen, Cogordichas leis na Réaltaí Pheil ach tá gradaim amháin eile le bronna. We now move on to our final presentation of the night, the last award. The TG Cathal Senior Players Player of the Year Award has 3 nominees this year, and they are Leah Caffrey, Atha Cliath, Jennifer Dunn, Atha Cliath, agus Louise Murhertig, Ciara. Now You've been a very patient audience, so I won't keep you waiting too long. Our Senior Players Player of the Year 2023 is awarded to Louise Neuwer-Hertig. The 2023 TG Cahir Seniors Players Player of the Year has collected her 4th TG Cahir All Star Award tonight and scored 331 in this year's championship, receiving much acclaim from her fellow players. Taking home the coveted individual accolade is Kerry's Louise Neuwer-Hertig. Oh, no, see, she is Louise. Catú seas just urbana, catú seas suas. Dús Louise, cogordicus o Réaltaí, gradam allwar os cor chulagan an seo, fifa trí taka o chirig o Cliath, cichu wahin tú.
Tá sé dacra chuir seach a bhocail. Stoch dús na bliana has to win crave na hair na bhuachtanach ní raiglen but lokiach. Na Calíniúntacha last year doing Gahara class here Leah Jennifer and Blianúntacha dustach on dúis mór agus on Darren lay crave na hair and so
On make Kyria rash to give around dúis mór sin all the east.
Gan out by me a sé dacre Kyria chur a chola so look a banistíocht dúntach again a sé Harnash gor bliana le so ha mi de fadchan bliana le hurt agus le cúna dé bu ha mi an dúis mór.
Louise, Keelan se galore go churca goine agus gon pobl atá an chuma a go hosidú a gimmert pelle cheaptú riamh gomachtú ar an stáit agus an irid réalta fátad an irid gradam buata agus ar malach le cúna dé le leich na himar bhain sama beidir greibh na héad an bhrín se hugan.
No, ní cheapas stoch an chéad lá chosamach sa garí le colm agus le dead is stoch as mama fiachant rud an speisialta se ach annach a trinál diantagan sa scoil líamórócha an na héine chréinál me ó hús ach an banistíocht sa I don't know another ha sail nó tu go cadúin so look an dúis mór se an craibh na hair na bhuachtain agus snéan eisting hagan agus snéan eisting a bheith goin gotí go muinimiid macha.
An bhfuil éon tréáil speisialt ar bán idir hain agus níomhnú chothir agus ba múna sa scoil céanna?
Yeah, look, I'm in the stock of trash vessel, Jim Lechil, Shachten, so train all lady and never going
There's a bit of secret training now going on between Louise and Niamh, who are both teaching in the same school, but that's the only cat of the bag. We won't let any other secrets go, Louise.
Nah, we can't. We'll leave anything out of the bag now.
Very Kerry. Well, Louise, is to reached run round the egg na himra go should gradam at on been lech na himra been Réaltaí Pheil na man ach totu round the egg the whole lakia the whole himra agus is to Senior Player of the Year ficha 3.
I have to admit I could listen to Maura and Louise Oscuelga all night long. I just love it. Cogordicus, everybody. I have a little presentation to make to Rena Nicustula, who's here beside me. Come on, Rena. This is an all-star. All the all-star nominees have signed a special ball because she plays with the under-12s Caharua, and she's going to be a mega star because thanks be to God, she looks like her mother. She has a football talent from her mother's side. It's great. Just had to get that in about your dad. Well done. Congratulations. Thank you for your help. So, ladies and gentlemen, we hope that you've enjoyed our All-Star show tonight. The rest of the night is all yours to party and to enjoy. We want to end the night with 3 cheers. We're going to ask the intermediate player and the junior player of the year up for the photograph with the All-Stars in a moment. But for now, Ihawa, thank you for being such a good audience tonight. Enjoy the rest. It's a bit early to say it, but I wish you all a very happy Christmas. It's not that far away. Thank you for supporting one of the greatest games in the world, ladies football, and well done to TJ Cahir and the LGFA with that chemistry and that bond between you all. We're very proud to be even associated with it. So 3 cheers for the TJ Cahir 2023 All-Star Football Team of this year. Hip hip!
Hooray!
You can do better. Come on. We're not that far from Croke Park. We'll try it again. Hip, hip.
Hooray!
Hip, hip.
Hooray!
Hip, hip.
Hooray!
Iawa. Mina bagat.